today, sir, we're going to present our activity for FCOSIS. We're Group 2. I'm Karil Angela Inamuco.
I'm Ian Nova.
I'm Cyrus D. Cervantes.
I'm Joshua and Christopher Piaborot.
I'm Reverend Paolo Giabian.
And we are from EN3A. So today, we're going to present our activity about pneumatic industrial control. So yung una po, yung buffer logic, which is itong switch 1. Sa buffer logic po, kapag naka-0 yung push button or yung switch, yung output po is 0 din. Pero pag naka-1 yung switch, yung output po is 1 din. And then yung next po is yung inverter logic, which is ito. Kapag naka-0 yung switch, naka-1 naman po yung output, which is yan. Makikita po natin, naka-ilaw yung light 3. Kapag switch naman po siya, nag-off. Yun po yung inverter logic. And yung next naman po, yung AND logic, which is ito. Gumamit po tayo ng dalawang switch, which is yung 2 at saka 3. Kapag yung switch po is 0, 0, yung output po is 0 din, which is itong LED 2 or yung yellow. And kapag 1, 0, ayan, makikita po natin naka-0 pa din. And kapag 0, 1, ayan, 0 pa din po yung output niya. Pero kapag 1, 1, yung switch, yung output niya po is 1 din. Ayan. Kung mapapansin niyo po, sumasabay yung LED 3, yung kulay red, kasi isang circuit po siya doon sa likod, which is yung sa push button. Kaya baka medyo malito po kayo. Pero yung connection niya po talaga is para dito lang sa LED 3.
So next po sir is OR logic. Yung gamit po namin na switch is switch 1 and switch 2. And then yung output po is LED 1 which is yung green. And then kapag 0, 0, ang output niya po is 0. Kapag 0, 1 po, ang output niya po is 1. And then next po, kapag 1, 0 po, ang output niya rin po is 1. Yan. Tapos kapag 1, 1 po, ang output niya po is 1 din. So sa OR logic po sir, kapag meron lang pong isang switch na 1, automatic po yung LED po is iilaw. So ang next po sir is NOR logic. Ang gamit po namin na switch is switch 1 and 2. And then ang output po is LED 1 which is in color green. So sa NOR logic po is kapag 0, 0 ang switch, ang output niya po is 1. And then kapag 0, 1 po ang switch, ang output niya po is 0. And then kapag 1, 0 po, ang output niya po is 0. And then kapag 1, 1 po, ang output niya po is 0. So sa NOR logic po is, kasalungat lang rin po siya sa OR logic. So ang next po sir is NAND logic. So ganun pa rin po ang ginamit namin na switch is 1 and 2. And then ang output po is LED 1 which is in green. So kapag ang switch po is 0, 0, automatic po na naka-on lang po ang LED. And then kapag 0, 1 po, naka-on pa rin po ang LED. And then kapag 1, 0, naka-on pa rin po ang LED. And then kapag 1, 1, 0 po. Kapag once lang po na may isang nag-0 na switch, automatic po is naka-on yung ilaw. Or 1.
So, yung next naman po is yung exclusive OR logic. So, yung gamit po namin na push button is yung switch 1 and switch 2. So, yung output po namin is yung LED 2 which is yung color yellow. So, kapag 0, 0 naman po yung input natin, yung output niya po is 0. Kapag 0, 1 naman po yung input natin, yung output po is 1. And kapag 1 and 1, 0 naman po yung input natin, yung output po natin is 1. And kapag 1, 1 naman po yung input natin, yung 0 po yung output. So kapag may isang 1 po na input, automatic po is 1 may 1 po na output. So kapag hindi po same yung input, magwa-1 po yung LED 2 natin. So yung next naman po is yung exclusive NOR logic. So yung ginamit po natin na switch is yung switch 1 and switch 2 pa rin po. And yung output po natin is yung LED 3 which is yung color red. So yung unang input po natin is 0, 0, yung output po natin is 1. So ilaw po yung LED 3. So kapag 1 yung At yung input naman po natin is 01, yung output po is 0. Kapag 10 naman po yung input, yung output po is 0. And kapag yung input naman po natin is 11, yung output po is natin is 1 pa rin. So kabaligtaran lang po siya ng exclusive or logic.
So yung next po namin is yung monostable dominant on. Meron tayo ditong on and off na push button. Ito po yung ating on, ito yung off. And yung output niya po is yung lead 2, which is yung kulay yellow. So kapag 0-0 po, yung output niya is 0. And kapag 0-1, meaning yung off yung 1, kapag pinress ko yan, 0 yung output. Pero kapag 1-0, meaning on yung on button yung 1, mag-on po yung ating output or magwa-1 po ang output. Pero kapag same 1-1 po yung input, yung ating output po ay magiging 1 din. Pag pinindot ko lang. So yung next po namin is yung monostable dominant off. So meron din po tayong on and off button and also yung ating output na lead 2. So kapag 0-0 po, ang ating output is 0. Kapag 0-1, meaning yung off po natin is yung 1. 0 po yung output. Then kapag 1-0, yung on button naman po natin yung 1. Mag-on po, magwa-1 po yung output. Then kapag 1-1 po yung on and off, yung output niya po is magiging 0. So yun lang po.
So sir, meron, ito po pala ang stable dominant on na ginamitan mo natin ng dalawang switch. Ito yung on at ito naman yung off. So mayroon din tayong dalawang indicator lead na color green na for on and off naman for yellow na indicator lead. So kapag binary number niya is 00, hindi po gagana yung indicator natin na dalawa. So and then kapag 01, 0, which is yung 01, kapag pinindot po natin yung off, automatic ilaw po yung sa off indicator. And then kapag 10, yung 1 po is sa on. So automatic gagana po yung on natin na indicator lead. And then kapag sinabay po natin na yung dalawang switch na on and off, automatic ilaw po yung indicator natin na green, which is magiging 1 po siya. Ang kabaliktaran ng bistable dominant on na tinatawag na bistable dominant off. So may ginamit dito na dalawang switch, which is yung on and off. Switch 1 is para sa on and switch 2 para sa off. So may indicator naman tayo dito na lead, which is ito yung green para sa on and yung yellow naman para sa off. So kapag binary number niya is 00, hindi gagana yung indicator lead niya na yellow and green. Kapag 0 and 1 naman, kapag yung 1 sa off siya, pag natin to, bubukas yung off na indicator lead. So kapag 10 naman, yung on naman dito is ito naman yung indicator lead natin na lead 1 or ito yung indicator na kulay green. So kapag dalawang indicator naman ito ang pinagsabay natin, mag-switch siya dito sa yellow na indicator lead natin kapag pinagsabay. So that's it. Ito na ang hinalabasan ng bistable dominant off. Kabaliktaran siya ng dominant on kanina. Yan na.
Once again, we are the group 2. Bye!